Welcome to Euphoria.
Indulge your senses in a tantalizing experience as succulent Domino's chicken wings dancing in a pool of luscious barbecue sauce ejaculate a song of flavors splattered on your taste buds.
Close your eyes and envision the crispy exterior and tender meat within, each bite sending shivers of delight down your spine.
Let the artistry of flavor send you into a realm where cravings meet culinary ecstasy, creating an irresistible affection of bliss. Let's dig in.
Obviously.
Jameson. Woo.
You already know what's up. Okay? We're gonna be washing that down. Some Jameson.
Black Barrel.
Oh god. Y'all hear that freaking Thames ad on Spotify?
Yeah, bro, we got premium.
I mean, yeah, Spotify Premium, but once in a while your shit's gonna expire and you start getting the ads. That Jameson ad that comes on all the time with Thames. Jameson Black Barrel. Whoa!
Jameson
I
Black
swear, like,
Barrel.
it's actually pretty hilarious the way she says it. The way she says it, like, Jameson Black Barrel. Quick, fast, let's get out of this shit. Run me my check. Oh, right, run me my check. Jameson Black Barrel, let's go.
Quick, fast.
Oh my god. Oh, it's crazy. But anyways, so yeah, it's gonna be running a little bit different today. We're gonna be getting straight into the food and our topics as well. So let's get into this freaking
Dominos.
Domino's.
Chicken wings, bro.
Chicken wings, yeah. Some barbecue sauce. It's actually looking
It's looking
quite
juicy.
sick.
Woo.
Woo.
It's
Trying to
looking
get
juicy. Oh my god. Juicy.
She's
Woo.
looking juicy, bro. Juicy.
Mm.
Mm.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's
Fucking
good.
loving rush.
Let me try it with the
Oh.
sauce.
Mm.
Wow. Oh my days.
Mm.
Oh
Did you
god.
see yourself?
Ah, Jesus. I haven't been the biggest proponent of putting BBQ on everything, bro. Like, bro, all these BBQ pizzas out here, these man's Domino's, Pizza Hut, they're fucking up the whole recipe.
Cheese and tomato.
But bro, I have to say, this BBQ sauce slaps with some wings. I'm just saying.
It's bussin'.
Woo!
Bussin'.
Wow. It's banging. She's banging, actually. But let's get into the first topic. Bro, some new pictures from behind the scenes for ATLA, bro. Netflix's Avatar The Last Airbender, bro. Some new
ATLA.
pictures just dropped.
Let's go.
Yeah, we got some pictures of the actors on set. We got some pictures of the guy playing Ang. Some pictures of the other airbending kids. Apparently, like they all had to like shave their heads because they didn't want to do like bald caps and shit. And they like agreed to like pay them like $500 each just for shaving their heads. Crazy. But then we also got like a picture of this airbending chick looking like after Yang chained up in this bitch. Got a picture of like her arm. You see the tattoo there as well. But then the one that really stood out is this picture of her just like in the mirror, like like a mirror selfie. Like this picture, this is the sort of picture like you take when you're like on set, you're shooting on set, and the director is like 5 minute break. Everyone take 5, and you're like, oh shit, I'm looking pretty dripped up right now. Let me take a selfie for the gram. That's it. Exactly. That's the vibe this picture is giving.
And bro, I have to say, like, the drip is up.
Let's go.
Bro, whoo, the drip is on point. I'm just saying.
It's on
Obviously,
point.
like, bro,
For real.
we've seen the freaking series The airbenders, like obviously they're monks. They don't have the most like flattering. Their fashion, that airbender fashion is not like the most like the drip. I don't know, like it's not given sometimes. But bro, this chick dropped. I'm just saying, it's given. She's passing the vibe check. She's passing the vibe check right now. I'm just saying, bro. And I mean, it has to be fitting because, like, if Netflix is saying like, or like random reviewers up on the internet saying like, this is like Netflix's biggest show yet. They're spending so much money, putting so many resources up in this bitch. This is Netflix's Game of Thrones. Bro, it makes sense why they would invest so much in the costume design. Bro,
actually, like, I saw some news up on the web, watching some YouTube channel. Apparently, because the series is gonna like have like a different beginning to the original animation. We're starting off with the raid, the firebenders raid on the airbenders temple. So apparently they raided the temple at the time where the airbenders were doing like this like annual like get together, because like the airbenders, they're nomads. So they're nomadic. You're never gonna have like all the airbenders in one particular sport at a time, because they're nomadic. They're always about. But then apparently like once a year they do like come together to have like an annual like event get together where everyone's like turning up and shit. Yeah. So like at that event is where the firebenders were like, fuck it. This is like, comment. All these guys are out here together at the same time. It's the perfect time to strike. So like yeah, I'm guessing like the reason why she's so like dripped out like fuck it. It's the annual meetup. I'm trying to
yeah, makes sense. But still, the drip is on point. But that's crazy though. I mean, yeah, we know like the show is starting in this way, like the firebenders doing the whole like Susan's comment raid on the air temples. But seeing these pictures now with this chick looking all dripped out in those airbending gowns, can you imagine being at like the annual like meetup? Remember, like the airbenders, they're not like they don't stay in one particular place at a time. They're airbending nomads. They're nomads, so like they're always moving about.
Yeah.
So once a year, all of these mans come together for an annual event, come together for a big celebration. Can you just imagine like being? I mean, look at the drip. It's sick. Can you just imagine like getting all dripped up for the annual meetup, and all of a sudden, bang! Fucking firebenders, bro, out of nowhere, hopped up on that Susan's comment.
Firebenders on crack.
Literally, this firebenders on crack. Fucking Susan's comment coming about, and all of a sudden,
bro,
this man's power levels are through the roof. Fucking descending from the sky. Like, what's up? It's Susan's comment, bitch.
Hey. Trying to walk all these mans out. Trying to wipe all these
Jesus Christ.
wipe all these mans
About to wipe all you mans out here. It's crazy. Bro, the shock factor would have been something else. I'm just something else. I can't imagine like, well, what's a big event that we have here? I don't know, like getting dressed up in my best gowns, like my best clothes. Like, bro, I'm about to step out, and all of a sudden, there's a fucking air raid or some shit. It's crazy.
Oh.
Wow. But aside from that, though, the drip is actually on point. Costume design must be. The budget for the costume design on this show must have been something else. And your boys are excited to see this shit. I mean, I actually can't wait for. I mean, it's less than a month away, is it not? for the actual show to drop. And still, we have no trailer. Like, bro, usually Netflix is going to be out here dropping their trailers max 1 month away from when the show is due to release. But, bro, still no trailer. I'm guessing they're trying to build up the suspense. They're trying to build up that suspense, bro.
Makes sense.
Because they know this shit is going to be big. It's Avatar, bro. Shit. I'm actually so gassed.
Same, bro.
Same.
Can't wait. Can't wait for that shit. One other thing, like I've been speculating about though, is I think they're gonna change some shit up. You know how Aang ran away in the original. I'm thinking like I don't know. I'm just speculating. I'm thinking in this adaptation because they said they're gonna change some shit. I'm thinking Aang is actually gonna be right there, like when the firebenders like strike, and it's gonna be like trying to like fight and shit, and like Monkey Gatsu is gonna be like, bro, you're the freaking Avatar, bro. You're gonna save all of us. We can't let you die right now.
Makes sense.
Your airbending training just started, bro. Still have water bending to learn. You gotta learn firebending. You gotta learn airbending, bro. Like, bro, can't let you die right now. And like Mongiatsu is gonna force him to run away, and it's gonna be so emotional and shit. And like, bro, I think that's what it's gonna be like. Cause like, if you're trying to make like Game of Thrones level series, bro, with the Avatar universe, bro, you gotta make shit emotional and epic. you gotta pull on some heartstrings, okay?
Fact.
So yeah, that's just my like
Facts.
2 cents on one of the possible changes that could be coming about in the new adaptation. This wings are slapping, by the way. This wings fucking slap. Oh my god.
Slap it,
Bimbo sauce
bro.
up in that bitch.
Slap it.
It's crazy.
Smash it.
How are we rating this shit?
Bussin.
Smashing. Smashing. Fucking busting, bro. Oh my god.
It's Bussin. For real.
Nah, I'm gonna put it in between busting. For real.
For real.
Maybe.
Let's go.
Oh, it's actually so fucking good, bro. Well, anyways, that's it for the latest news on Avatar up on the internet right now. Our next topic, we're gonna be diving into freaking BBC just dropped this shit.